Welcome to homework.
Chapter 21, Question 22. One nucleide in each of these pairs is radioactive. Predict which is radioactive and which is stable. So we have calcium and 20 to 40, and we have another calcium that is 20 to 45. Now, this number is 20, so it's above 16, and after 16, what we need is in a stability belt around 1.15 of the neutron to proton ratio. So over here, the neutron to proton ratio is going to be 20 to 21. And in this one, I'm not going to actually predict, and I'm going to cheat and do the math. 25 neutrons divided by 20 protons, this is going to be 1.25. Now, which one is closer to 1.15? Both of them look equally close to this, but actually this number is only zero point 0.1 away, whereas this number is 0.15 away. So the second option is more stable than the first option with respect to the stability belt. And at part B, this was A. In part B, what we have is carbon 12 and carbon 14. And the proton number is going to be 6. So this is going to be below 16 number of protons, and for that N to P ratio is going to be 1, and this guy over here has an 6 neutrons, 6 over 6, 1, so this is going to be the stable one. Part C, what we have is lead and thorium. So the lead is going to be, let me find that in the periodic table, 82. And after that, what we're going to have is thorium. And thorium is going to have 90 protons. Now, above 83, we consider them, all of them, as a heavy atom, and these are all going through an alpha decay of 2 to 4. So the lead is going to be more stable than thorium. And part D, this is going to be nickel 58. Let me find nickel first. In the periodic table, that is going to be 28 protons. 58, and then we have nickel 65. Well, if we look at this again, we need a number of 1.15, and this looks to me that the number of neutrons is too much higher compared to this one. We have 30 neutrons, and what we're going to have here is 37, if I'm not failing the math. So I believe this 30 over 28 is going to be close to this value, whereas 37 over 28 is going to be way higher. So this guy is going to be more stable